silk and steel. The battle calls, we stand for freedom. Behind these walls, let the rhythm drop. Let the rhythm drop. The dust is rising, the sun is low. We hold the line where the brave spirits go. The weapon is steady, the focus is clear. No space for retreat, no moment for fear. Against the radicals, we stand our ground. The strongest commitment can surely be found. A silent promise to the mountains we keep while the world is watching or maybe asleep. We carry the future in every stride. No space for confusion, nowhere to hide. We are the answer, the reason they run. Our second life is ready, just begun. We're living two worlds, spinning in the air. The steel in our hands and the softness of hair. We fight, fight, fight for the people's rights. We run, run, run through the darkest nights. The power is rising, the message is true. We seek the peace that only we can bring through. 2, 1, 2 worlds, spinning, 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 yeah. Spinning, spinning, fighting for the light, freedom, non-stop. When the battle pauses, we take a short break. The moment of calm for the people's sake. The helmet comes off, the hair falls so free. A reminder of who we were meant to be. Combing the darkness right out of the strand. Ready to fight for the future of our land. One eye on the enemy, one on the calm. This is the strength that is bringing peace home. We carry the future in every stride. No space for confusion, nowhere to hide. We are the answer, the reason they run. Our second life is ready, just begun. We're living two worlds, spinning in the air. The steel in our hands and the softness of hair. We fight, fight, fight for the people's rights. We run, run, run through the darkest nights. The power is rising, the message is true. We seek the peace that only we can bring through. We are the daughters of the mountains. We are the sun. We will not stop until the victory is won. This is our right. This is our people's call. We stand for the peace that embraces us all. For the light, freedom, non-stop.